Bullish Sun token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Sun could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Sun token market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Sun token presentation. You can find out about the Sun cost expectation and its normal ascent from specialized investigation to major cost history with the assistance of this instructional exercise. At the determination of this assessment, a reasonable image of what's in store as far as how exorbitant costs will go will become clear. You will likewise find out about Sun's future. A digital currency is before long going to acquire notoriety as a significant resource, and we'll be checking out at the Sun token value forecast. The cryptographic money industry is going to enter the standard, and each venture is creating unique methodologies to flourish and control the market. Is Sun a wise speculation? Is one of the normally asked issues that we will endeavor to address. What Sun will be esteemed in 5 to a decade. Foreseeing future evaluating and assessing value varieties are undeniably challenging undertakings. We'll be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, greatest cost, Sun cost figure, most extreme worth, long-haul cost forecast, most extreme stock in the market cap in view of our own examination. What is Sun token? The digital money of the sun.io decentralized finance network that has been redenominated is called Sun token. Sun.io went with the choice in May 2021 to grow the quantity of Sun tokens accessible from 19.9 million to 19.9 billion, moving Sun at a 110 proportion to holders of the first Sun. The market capitalization didn't change. A stablecoin-centered decentralized trade named SunSwap, along with related liquidity pools and cultivating choices for proprietors of Sun token, make up sun.io's DEFI stage. DEFI Llama guarantees that starting around the 8th of June 2022, sun.io has $820.20 in complete worth frozen. Old 2 Pool LP, an exchanging pair between Sun token and Tron's USDT stablecoin, is the greatest liquidity pool on the organization, holding more than $437 million. The biggest decentralized application on the Tron network as far as exchange volume is SunSwap. SunSwap is the second biggest Tron-based DApp behind JustLend concerning the equilibrium of possessed resources. SunSwap has the most dynamic clients of any Tron-based DApp, with 75,710 remarkable month-to-month wallet addresses, significantly above Travel Trade's 12,510 dynamic clients and JustLend's 6,400 dynamic clients. Clients get VESUN administration tokens in return for securing Sun coins. These give holders the choice to conclude how every liquidity pool is weighted. Every liquidity pool's portion of remunerations, which are gotten from half of all exchange costs on the Sun.io DEFI stage, is weighted. Longer lockup periods bring about additional prizes in casting a ballot power. They range from a half year to 4 years. Tron, USDD, Sun token, TRX, and TAI USD, Sun token are 3 other huge liquidity pools. Sun specialized examination. The consolidated Sun trade rating for the chose time span Sun might be seen progressively utilizing TradingView's finished specialized examination instrument. In spite of the way that it is challenging to give 100% exact specialized investigation to the Sun coin, the SUN USD report's specialized examination is based on the groundwork of moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Sun current cost. Sun token is as of now worth $0. Sun has moved 2.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,485,976. Sun token is as of now positioned 332 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $48,327,618 USD. Sun token value expectation 2022. Sun token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Sun cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Sun is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Sun token value expectation 2023. In 2023, Sun token Sun cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sun will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Sun's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Sun will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Sun token value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Sun might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Sun is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Sun Token Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Sun Token effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Sun coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sun will be green in 2025. The Sun is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Sun Token Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Sun cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Sun has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Sun Token Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Sun figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Sun needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Sun Token Value Expectation 2028. While Sun is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2028. Sun Token Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Sun Token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Sun Token Value Expectation 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Sun cost in 2030 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. What is the Sun token cost today? Today, Sun Token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $48,327,618. Is Sun Token a wise speculation? Sun Token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Sun is a decent decision of venture. How high can Sun Token go? The typical cost of Sun Token might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Sun Token might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Sun Token be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of digital currency and Sun Token, a drawn-out interest in Sun could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Sun